welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ariana and I do home health, beauty, and fashion lifestyle videos. And today I am going to share with you a room in my home that I decorated. And I think I'm gonna make this a series and kind of take you room by room. So let me know which room you want to see next in my house and I'd be happy to do a video on it. But today we are going to take a look at my niece's bedroom. She is 6 years old and very girly, and I think I created a space that she really enjoys. So if you're interested in seeing what that space looks like, just keep watching. All right, here is the door to her room. She has a cute little sign on the door that says, "A unicorn sleeps here." That is the theme of the room, is kind of a little bit unicorn and kind of girly, so let's walk on in. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a quick overview of the space and then we'll go into each area in detail and I'll tell you where I got everything. So she has a little workspace here. This is her dresser. She has like a little reading nook, her Barbie house, and then her bed is on this wall, and that's her books. So starting at the front here, I got this desk and chair at Target, and it is perfect for her to do some homework or be creative and color. As you can see, she has her artwork displayed there. This is a really cute table and chair set. I really liked how clean it was, and I liked the light wood top. So on the desk we have an oil diffuser. We really like this because we can diffuse some essential oils, and it also has color changing lights, so we use that as a night light. On this side of the desk is a little, I think it was like technically a pot or something, but it's from IKEA, and it has her pencils in it. And then this whole set here is from IKEA as well. You have to buy each part in piece, but it's super affordable. So we got the grid on the back, and then I added the hooks, the cups, the tray, and this thing that holds her coloring books and paper. And this is her art space. So she has her markers, her crayons, colored pencils, pom-poms, googly eyes, popsicle sticks. So she can be as creative as she wants. And she does spend a lot of time here. She really likes to do her artwork. And then coming over here is her dresser. All of her clothes are in this dresser, but we do have a few drawers that we keep more so for other things. So in this drawer we have all of her her learning workbooks and stuff like that in there. And then in this one we have some costumes and dress up stuff. So this dresser I did get at IKEA, and I really loved the color, and she could totally use this as she gets older. I think it's a really great piece. Here is the wall above the dresser. I love this space so much. It's so cute. So on the dresser going left to right is another one of those little pots from IKEA. I did a little flower arrangement. All the flowers are from Hobby Lobby. And then I have this Scentsy warmer here. I don't know if they still sell this one. I know it was really popular, but it says, "Always remember to stop and chase the fireflies." I just thought that was so cute. And then there's a picture frame there that is from Hobby Lobby as well. This little macrame art piece here, I got that on Amazon, and I think this is beautiful, and I think it was $19.99, so I will definitely have that link below because I think that's a good one. And then the two pictures you see, the flower and the succulent, those are both from Hobby Lobby, as well as the bee to the right. The clock and the gold hello sign at the top are from Target. And then the two cubes on the wall, those were like a hand-me-down. I'm not sure where those are from. They may have been from Target at one point. I'll double check on that. Inside this one, there is a unicorn piggy bank. Got that at either Hobby Lobby or TJ Maxx. We got her monitor, and then this is just a little Scentsy buddy, and it smells good, so it makes her room smell good. And then in this one is a little succulent that I got at Target as well. And then on this corner, the white basket is from Target, and the lamp, which is really cute, like a little pedestal lamp. I got that at Hobby Lobby on sale, so I don't think those are available anymore. And the picture frame I got at TJ Maxx. Going into this corner of the room is this really cute little canopy. I got the canopy at Target, and it starts as white, and it dip dyes into pink ends, and it has this really cute trim on the edge. Really fun and feminine. I loved this one, and I like that it went from white to pink, because at the bottom I have a pink rug. So the canopy is from Target, as well as the rug. It's a round rug, and it's like a corally pink color. The beanbag was a hand-me-down, so I'm not sure where that came from. And then both pillows, the polka dotted heart and the pink velvet pillow, were from Hobby Lobby. I love that little space. It's so cute. And then I just tied it to the top with, I think it's like an eye hook and some gold ribbon. And then you can see here we have gold curtain rods, because I wanted to bring in that gold accent. And then the curtains I also got at Target. They were purchased online because, if you don't know, Target only carries the 86-inch, it's either 86 or 84-inch length in store. But I have a newer construction home, so all the windows are a lot higher, and I need the 96-inch length, so I got these online. And they are also a blackout curtain, which I like, and I loved the pattern on them. Thought they were really fun. So she has them on that window, and this window as well. And then she has her Barbie house that she got for Christmas, and this cute little wall unicorn that I got at Hobby Lobby. It's like a plush unicorn head. I thought that was super cute, so we added that. And then here is her bed. We had already had this day bed, and I think it works great in this space because then she has all the room in the middle to play with her toys. So we have the day bed, and then the picture of the unicorn above. I got this picture at Hobby Lobby. No, I got this picture at Home Goods, and I'm still trying to decide what to put on either side. So if you have any suggestions, let me know below. I still haven't found the thing that speaks to me, but I would love to hear your suggestions on what you would put on either side. And then here is her bedding. So the duvet and the tasseled pillowcases on the ends, that was a set from Pottery Barn Kids that I got on super clearance sale. It was an amazing buy, and it was perfect for the space. The colors are exactly what I wanted this room to be. Plum, lavender, pink, teal, and gray. So that was an awesome find. I most definitely won't be able to link this one because I'm pretty sure they're sold out of this, but I love it. And her sheets are from Amazon. They're the dark plum color back there. And then the pillows on the bed, this gray one that says Sparkle was from Target. The little stuffed animal is a Build-A-Bear. And the purple and teal pillow were both from Home Goods. And then underneath here I also have a quilt. It's like a purple quilt with a little tassely end that I got at Home Goods as well. And then on this wall she has this little poof furry stool in pink. I got that at Home Goods. This little wall hook here was from Hobby Lobby, and right now she's just hanging her little beach bag on it. And then this is one of my favorite walls also because it is her book wall. These are picture ledges from IKEA, and we use them to house her books, and it's perfect because she can just grab a book and read it in bed or take it over to her little beanbag lounge area. And at the top there is another unicorn piece of art, It's like the nails with the string, and I had gotten that at Hobby Lobby as well. So you're probably also thinking, where is all the toys in this room? So the only toy in the bedroom is the Barbie house, and then she has this walk-in closet that we use as her toy room, which works perfect because she can't reach any of the clothes hanging up there anyway, and she doesn't have that many clothes. So if I used it as an actual closet, it would have been a waste of space. So we are using this as her toy room. The cubbies are from IKEA, and then the little bins in them I had gotten at Target. I got 2 different colors, this gray and like this aqua blue patterned one. All of her toys are in here. So this one has Barbies. This one has puzzles. So each bin has its own toy category, and she knows what goes in each bin. That little container on the top has Legos. And then that pink bin is from Hobby Lobby, and I use that for her dirty clothes storage. And I got the same bins, but in the aqua color and in a different shape for the top of her closet. And there I store off-season clothing, Halloween costumes, and miscellaneous items in those. And then there's another little Build-A-Bear unicorn. So the only thing we actually put in the closet to hang are her jackets. So we have a little space for those there. But then other than that, all of her toys are in this room. And if it gets messy, I could just close the door. But she's very neat and very diligent about cleaning up her toys, which I couldn't be more thankful for. I think she gets that from me. So this space is always generally very clean and organized. So here is the view from the closet. Just a really cute, fun space. And I think I was able to create a lot of usable spaces in this room, like her library and her art desk, all of her clothes in the dresser, her little lounge, and then she has all the space in the middle to play. I think this room is super sweet. It was really fun to create. I wanted to give her a space that wasn't too little girl and that she could grow with. And I think everything in this room can grow with her, probably even to her like pre-teen years. She might lose the Barbie house by then, but everything else can be reconfigured and reused for different purposes as she gets older. So if you like this video, I would love to see a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed and you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified every Monday and Thursday at 6 a.m. Pacific time when I upload. And also, if you haven't already, hit the notification bell because that will help in notifying you of my videos. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this space. It was super fun, and I think it turned out really cute. As I mentioned, let me know what you think I should put on this wall with this unicorn picture. And then below, also let me know which room in my house you want to see next. And maybe I'll do a video on that room. So thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye!